Kiuma gikeno na nduhiu nene kiharo-ini kia JKA, Minista wa mathako bururi-ini Abbas Damina Mohammed atongoretie ministry yake kunyita ugeni athaki a bururi aria marari bururi-ini wa Morocco kuria maranyitire itemi hitaitano-ini cia All African Games. Ona kuri uguo maitho muma kuri nyarari cia Malkia Strikers aria marahotire gutetera utorania wao wa mwaka wa 2015 muthako-ini wa volleyball makigutha Cameroon na 3-1 ikireka-ini ria finals. Nyarari ciru guru nyabana mweru makiria na uri no menyeru munene Paul Bitok matingihotire kuhitha gikeno kiao.
We had a very good determination, focus, and our objective was to come back with a trophy. We were the defending champion and we had no choice.
Kuringana na kocha Bitok, ndagakorwo gicenjia athaki aria ari nao mbere ya itaitano cia 2019 FIVB Volleyball Women's World Cup bururi-ini wa Japan.
I believe that the young players can be given chance, but they already sent the names for the World Cup, so it's very, very difficult to introduce new players. But we have Chepet from KCB and also Wanyama. We will add them to be 14 players who will travel, but we will maintain the same squad.
Riu nyarari cia Malkia Strikers mekurika kiharo mehariria ma World Championships ire ire Japan muthini wa mweri uyu niguo gutigirira ni marehe ngoga makiria. Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV kuma ku kiharo-ini kia JKA ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.